Hear this story and tell me if you will live in this particular house. Landlady come to the house of im ten ant to tell the ten ant that he want the ten ant to pack out or to go or to travel for just 1 month or 2 months, so that in generation, in siblings, in friends, in family are coming to visit. So that as landlady, that he have the right to tell the ten ant to move out of the house. What do you think? Does this make sense? Your house he rented to the man, and not telling the man to move out of the house. Now wow, this one we never see before. Then e no end for there. Do you know that this same landlady had been using this guy has wife in has internet for over 6 months without no pay, and the guy now find out, and maybe they are giving the guy bills that he cannot even, that is not consuming alone, that the guy now go and disconnect the wifey. The landlady come and say, why do you disconnect the wife that is making use of the wifey? Sure, for inside the house when you rent give person again. Please watch this video before we come back. We can continue.
Hello?
Hi.
Yeah, it's a surprise visit. Is everything okay?
Look, this is an emergency. I need you to go out from this house and give me the key.
Why? What's going on?
I have my family coming and I have nowhere to put them, so I want you to go out. Go for holiday or go to your girlfriend. Go anywhere you like, give me back the key, or they stay with you. There are 10 children and 4 adults. And 2 dogs.
What? Where are they coming from? I'm confused.
Israel. They're coming from Israel.
They're coming from Israel?
Naughty. Yeah.
But miss, you see...
Now you have to go. Now, look, you have to go. You must go, take your stuff, go live in the car for 1 week or 10 days. You're a young man, you can sleep in the car, bring a girlfriend with you to keep you warm, and that's it.
No, that's ridiculous. I've got a contract with you. I pay rent. You can't do this. You know, I've got my rights. You can't just come and kick me.
Do what I want. The house belongs to me. It doesn't belong to you. If I want you out, you have to leave. That's it. End of story.
It doesn't work like that. We have contracts. We have law, you know. There's law. It protects me.
I don't care.
As a tenant.
I don't care. I don't care. My family comes first before you. If you go, I don't care. I can bring somebody else. Now you have to leave. Put some stuff in a bag and peace off. They're all the way from there.
There's no way I'm doing it. That's impossible. First of all, I've got my own plans. You know, it's my birthday today as well. I've got a birthday party. My friends are coming in the next 2 hours, and you're trying to stress me out. How can you do this?
I'll tell you what. If you have a birthday party, that's fine. The children and the people from Israel will come, and they will sing songs with you, and they will eat your food, and that will be fine. And then at the end of the evening, you take your friends and go somewhere else, let them sleep here.
That's ridiculous. Look, I'm not having any strange people coming into my house.
Don't start ridiculing me.
It's ridiculous.
This is my house. It's your house. Wait a minute, this is your house.
It's my house for the next 24 months because we have the contract.
No. I didn't sell it to you, only rented. I can cancel the rent. You can go. You're a young man, you have a lot of friends, peace off. That's it.
No, we're not doing that.
I'm telling you, you better do it in goodwill, because otherwise they will come, 10 children, all of them crazy. They will conquer your house, they will make it dirty, they'll break your stuff. And then
So what? Now you're threatening me as well. Can you not see how ridiculous this is? If I were you, just book them a hotel. You've got plenty of money. Get them a hotel. Why can't they come and stay in your house?
No, they can't stay because they are too messy.
So they can come and be messy in my house. Is that what you're saying?
Yes, but if they go messy in your house, I don't have to clean. You have to clean.
But can you see how ridiculous that is? No, this is not happening. I refuse.
I don't see.
So what happens if I refuse?
Sorry. And if you don't go, I'll bring them anywhere. They'll sit in the garden. The minute you open the door, they'll come in.
No, I'm not doing this. I refuse. Sorry.
What happened to my Wi-Fi?
What is wrong with your Wi-Fi?
I don't have a Wi-Fi. I've been using yours, and now you cannot stop me. I've been using it for 6 months, okay? Now you can't be selfish and stop me from using it.
I don't stopping you using the Wi-Fi.
Oh yes, you do, because now I cannot get connection to the Wi-Fi. They ask me
Because
for
I
a
put the
code.
password on the Wi-Fi. Because
No, why
because I
don't
put
you?
the
Okay,
Wi-Fi the
then give.
password.
Okay. Then give me the code number, the code of the Wi-Fi, so they
But
can
why?
be connected.
But hold on a minute. Please relax. Why am I going to give you
Sorry,
the password to relax? Why
I
am
can't
I?
hear you.
I said relax.
Relax. What do you mean relax?
Relax. Why am I going to give you the password to my Wi-Fi?
Oh, because I said so. I'm your neighbor. I
But
don't
this is
have
my
money to
Wi-Fi.
pay
This
for
is
the
my Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi.
I don't
Yeah,
need to give
because
you the password. This is my Wi-Fi.
yeah, okay, but I've been using it 6 months. You didn't say anything. Now you cannot stop me.
You're using
You
this for
can't
six
stop me.
months, 7 months, 8 months. That is fine. You're no
Yeah,
longer
yeah, yeah.
using it.
Now give me. Now look, Mush. Now you're gonna give
No, no,
me
no.
the code.
You listen to me, Habibti. You listen. You don't have Wi-Fi now. You do not have it.
No, I don't.
خلاص
Now I
finish.
don't have
You
Wi-Fi
don't.
because
Congratulations. You do not have it. You understanding? You understanding?
no, no,
Yes,
no,
yes,
no. You
yes.
can't block me. I'm sorry. You cannot block me after 7 months.
But I don't
After
block you with
7 months,
anything.
I'm
I
using.
put the password
And
on
why
my
do you
Wi-Fi.
pay?
I
You
put the
pay.
Wi-Fi. I put the password on my Wi-Fi
But look, Mush, you're paying anyway. So why do you care that I use it as well? Huh?
because it is slowing down my own Wi-Fi. Why do you want to use
Yeah, but
Wi-Fi? Why do you want to use Wi-Fi?
because I don't want to pay for mine, I can use yours. For yours is for
But
free.
it does. I pay for it. I pay for my own Wi-Fi. I pay for it.
Okay, good. No pay it as I can use it as well.
But why will I pay for you to use it when it is my Wi-Fi?
Why do you ask so many questions? Just let me use
Because
your
why are you
Wi-Fi,
asking
then
too
we
many
have the
questions? You
story.
asking questions for password. It is like me asking you for credit card, the pin for your card.
Look, you're talking so much. You're talking too much.
No, no, but
And you
you're
don't
speaking
have
too
to
much.
talk
You're
too much.
speaking too much.
All what you have to do, give me the name of your Wi-Fi, and I use it, and that's the end of story. Okay?
But I'm not going to give you password. It is not. It is not possible. It's not
Yeah, because
possible.
you're stingy, and you don't want to
I'm not
help an old
stingy.
woman.
I'm confusing here because you're using my own Wi-Fi. I don't even know about this, and I put password on my Wi-Fi. So you're
Yeah,
coming to
but
me
why
because
do you
I put
care?
password on.
But why do you care? You pay anyway. So why do you care that
Because
I use it?
with because a few other people using my Wi-Fi then slows down the GPS, the MBS,
What's that? What's that GPS, MPS? What's
the
that?
speed for the Wi-Fi, the speed.
Look, you are stingy, and you're gonna give me the code for the Wi-Fi. Otherwise, I'm gonna give you a very bad neighborhood. I would be your neighbor for the hell neighbor. I'm gonna give you a lot of grief in the neighborhood. So don't you bloody play with me. I'm telling you, I'm warning you. Don't look at me as an old woman. I'm not that old, and I can cause you lots of trouble. You give me a Wi-Fi now.
So tell me what you think in this video. Is you tell me what you would do. Are you going to continue paying the woman, or are you going to pack out of the house, or grant the access of living for 1 month for him to come and live in your house for come within generation to live in your house that you rented from her? Just tell me what you think in this video. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe. Thank you.